Congratulations, the skies seem clearer. We have temporarily paused the generation of air pollution and smog clouds up there. Congratulations, we have given the much needed space and time for the nature to heal itself and us. Congratulations, the annoying honking noises have been replaced with the bird chirping, tree waving, and leaves rattling. Congratulations. Open your windows, look around you. Empty roads, green all around. That is what quarantine is meant for. Quarantine is affecting our lives both in a negative as well as in a positive way. People gaining skills, activities, recreating their hobbies is one of the effects of the quarantine. So let's see what are the effects, negative and positive, of quarantine.
Health is wealth, but we cannot get sufficient time usually to take care of our good health.
So in this quarantine, we are getting sufficient time to take care of our health as well as study.
So we are performing simple yogas regularly at our homes to take care of our health.
The advantage of this quarantine phase, firstly, we are consuming less natural resources like diesel and petrol. So our environment will also safe from harmful gases, as you already hear the news. And the ozone layer is being mentioned. That's the advantage.
Hi, as we are in the quarantines and we have some hobbies. So my hobby is writing quotes and poetry. And this quarantine helps me out in improving my writing skills. So thank you, quarantine.
Guys, in this quarantine we have become self-conscious about our cleanliness, hygiene, and probably have time to recollect our forgotten hobbies. Thank you.
The most positive impact due to this lockdown has been on the mother nature. The rate of greenhouse gas emission have been reduced to an unimaginable level. There has been reduction in particulate matter, and the most fascinating thing is that the populous city in the world, that is Delhi, has seen a reduction in pollution level by 60%.
The annoying honking noise have been replaced with the bird chirping, tree waving, and leaves rattling. That is also one of the positive effects of this quarantine period.
Trials. Dr. Fauci announced a breakthrough at the White House.
The data shows that remdesivir has a clear-cut, significant positive effect.
We have developed the habit of checking latest news and keep updating with the world.
You know, mental health is very important, especially when you are at home and nothing to do.
Yeah, so we guys decided to play chess and keep our mental health good.
Thank you guys. Stay home.
Stay safe.
So before lockdown, what people did, they stored many things like green vegetables and beet flour, like these things. So there are the lack of these resources in the market. So I get little things in the market, and other also negative effect, like there are the increasing of the rate of product day by day. So these are the negative effects of the content.
Speaking about the negative impacts of the lockdown worldwide, the whole world has witnessed an economic crisis, which is regarded as the global economic crisis or the Great Recession by many economists. The global GDP has fallen to -3%. The unemployment rates are at the peak. The pandemic crisis is around $9 trillion, which is the combined economy of Japan and Germany. It has affected the global supply chain. The per capita income of each and every country has been in the downgrade. So it is high time for the world leaders to unite and determine some policies to get rid of or to overcome this Great Recession. Thank you.
I have slept a few hours extra from normal day and made my routine irregular. So it's a negative effect of quarantine.